Hey God, it up us. I dey very, very disappointed at some people for this country. The way where some people take they push other people into trouble, e no good. That lady wey do one video for TikTok, wey use orientation and sing the special number and the choir song of court group. When the court people can go catch am, they can go beat am, humiliate am, humanize am, peculiarize am, do all sorts of things. That lady now, nobody know her present situation now. Then another
welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Today matter now about this a viral video we just the trade now. My darling people, my correct people. When I see this girl wey be say this girl wey cause people beat, now I want to talk about again. So e get one video when I see where they get one woman wey be where they do YouTube. So this woman, I don't want to mention her name here. The woman, she can't go to practice the court, the way that girl take do that this thing, the way that girl take they do that logo for that court people. She can't go they do am too. So as she can't they do am, the thing can't shock me. Say they say the one where this girl do, they go beat am. See wait they do that girl. Now God even say make the girl never be mess so. You now can still go do the same thing. Still go they do the logo again. Not be trouble again. You can't they look for. Not be trouble. You can still go they do the same thing. Wey be say that they quarrel that one for. Who does that? Now wow. Now wow for some people, sha. Okay, my darling people. She go they do the logo now. I can't shock when I see him. No. I don't hear now say they don't threaten and now say they want to go find family for Africa. Okay. You know, say you get a family for Africa. You go they do that kind of thing. Now wow, for some people, sha. Now wow. That is with the find out that girl, oh, now go take click or mode. Now make that girl they okay. Because if you say we will really look this thing, now not sell those court people. They're not agree. May you use their logo. It be like when you wear police cloth uniform now. If police people catch you for Nigeria, they go beat you like seriously. If you put that beret for head, where be say you don't they fly like them, you not be courteous. If they catch you at the same thing, they go beat you, not be small. You understand? What you call your make this girl pay me be say she just do am for TikTok for that joke things. Then make she do am. And she talks say she fed date one of the guys where they do this courtesy. So now it makes she know all those things, you understand? So when they can't go beat her like this, deal with her, naked her, they you know. So a person go say that kind of koro, you two see go ready, they do that same thing. My dear, you not doing well. I don't say many people don't talk to you, say what you do, so you not doing well. I go put one video now where one guy take talk. More than listen to what that guy talk. It really makes sense. Because so if people they talk truth, they'll say no, maybe you not courteous too. Now it make you they join them. No, the guy just they give them advice, and a very very good advice, my darling people. Thank you, my ogbonge people. I go put the video now more than see.
hey God, it up us. I dey very, very disappointed at some people for this country. The way where some people take they push other people into trouble, e no good. That lady wey do one video for TikTok, wey use orientation and sing the special number and the choir song of court group. When the court people can go catch am, they can go beat am, humiliate am, humanize am, peculiarize am, do all sorts of things. That lady now, nobody know her present situation now. Then another lady can come mad. Say because say she the vex, she can repeat that same thing when that other lady do. wey put that lady for the condition wey she dey now. Okay, me na wey be say me dey say make people stay out of trouble now. Na me people now come dey face now dey say whether me na cultist, why me dey support cult. Me I no be cultist, I no even dey any organization. No talk of say maybe I wan belong to any cult group. But the truth of the matter be say wetin you know say you no go fit do, or you no go allow your family member do, make you no push other people make dem do am. Because na people like una na push that Perry, that girl now wey do that video for TikTok. Na people like una na push her to the problem wey she dey so. I hope say the pain wey that girl receive, una follow that girl receive am. And now another woman dey do the same thing now. Instead of una to say make the woman stay away from trouble, then una dey clap for am. People now wey dey talk say make the woman stay away from trouble now, una dey say na dem be the bad people. At the end of the day now, when this other person now go enter one chance, maybe una go still help am abi. Una no get any help to render, but una go dey push people, una go dey push people, una go dey push people. Una sabi push people enter problem, but una no dey follow them go court, una no dey follow them go station. Now, this other woman now still go do the same video. Okay, make me tell una one thing. Maybe tell una one thing I will be see for this country. Africans, Nigeria, they take things serious too much. Me and you know say for abroad, pastor, you fit talk to her anyhow. No, Igbo come meet you, come they tell you why they talk to a man of God. But for Nigeria, they don't born you where me you challenge any man of God. Their members go bust bottle. Me and you know say for abroad, you feel wear camouflage. Soldiers not go beat you, they not go do you anything. You feel wear police uniform for abroad, nobody go do you anything. Provided you not go to impersonate, go to talk say na you be. But for Nigeria, if you try and wear camouflage, or you try and wear police uniform, na problem, na double wala for you. So me and you know say the way Nigerians take court matter, kofra matter, they take am as if say na their life, na their everything. Why una dey encourage person wey be say e no dey that coven, na dey encourage am make e go dey chop the food wey dey cook for the coven. The way una take dey encourage this second lady now, wey e still go do the same video, now make una encourage una wife, make una encourage una daughter, make una encourage una sister, make dem still do the same video. Una sabi push people, but una sabi protect una own. And they see so many vagabondious and liquidated expire metamorphosis of Instagram non-entity on my comment section. So many people they tell say, Celeb, you are disappointed in you. You are disappointed in you. You are disappointed in yourself. Because they say truth is always bitter. Why not they push people into problem? Why not they push people into problem? Why not they push people into problem? Make everybody stay away from problem. As I did, I'm not a follow person do court matter because I know they. I'm not a follow person do am, but I just give my own advice. Make people try to stay away from waiting go put them for more problem.